Hey, how you been? It's been a minute, huh? So Nalt's here quite a number of years after I was super active on YouTube, but getting back because I'm obsessed with AI. So I've got a new channel called Prompteers Club, but I thought I'd fill you in on my life. First of all, Michelle and I, 3 years, have a dog named Lucy. She's a puppy and she pisses everywhere, a rescue. I don't know, maybe it was abused. And Sadie, who is Michelle's OG dog and super well behaved. Lucy, I've got a whole fence up that I put up for Lucy. She's frigging Houdini about getting out of here. And she's staying in that crate for a little bit because she pisses all over the carpet. Do you have a dog that does that? What else? So here's my fun reading. I think AI is kind of transformational and it will put people like me out of work if we don't learn the shit out of it. But get back to YouTube. I wrote a book like 2011, which is a little out of date maybe. So this is kind of the new one. Shorter, I should add. It's got pictures too. Where are the pictures? I don't know. Some of them are cheesy. I love this one. Isn't that cute? It's little trolls. Because that's what happens when you get on YouTube. I don't know if that's why I stopped or if it was just because it became about money and started getting bigger. But I'm giving it another shot. Maybe some pranks too. I'll try to do less AI stuff here because not everybody's interested. But that's over at Prompteers. What else is news? Kids doing well. Grant working and going back to school. Charlie is in school and living on his own. We got Patrick, who is in Thailand at the moment. He is Tumpy on YouTube, and he's far more popular than me, making beats, teaching people how to make digital music and beat packs. So he lives in Thailand where everything's cheaper, so he can survive on the fun little YouTube stuff, but he has left me Devan. He's come back soon, but Devan is a bearded dragon who likes to eat crickets and roaches, and that's a lot of fun until you have to clean the discards, which fortunately Devan will poop inside of his water, her water bowl or food bowl. Meanwhile, Michelle and I are dealing with the aftermath of a pipe leak that caused significant damage and mold. You don't have to breathe it, but I'm breathing mold now. I mean, they've come out to remediate it. This is the studio. Yeah, that was all water dripping down there. Now I gotta repair the floor. We got a $2,000 deductible, and Allstate is estimating fixing it for $4,000, which means $2,000. And the estimates are coming in at $10,000. Anybody have experience trying to save a lot of money while replacing snap lock floors? Because, yeah, that's no fun. Still working in healthcare marketing. What are you doing? Haven't heard from you. Got a few people that are surfacing that are old-time Nolts viewers. And that's always fun. And in fact, I'm connecting with some tubers that it's been a while. A little memoir like that. Is that my thumbnail? I was talking to Mark Day. Remember him? He was the guy that featured me on the homepage of YouTube, Viral Video Genius. And he's doing AI and Burning Man, and he's as fascinating as ever. Should we let Lucy out? All right, here it goes. You want to see her pee? I'm gonna hope she pees outside. I can't get her excited in here. All right, let's go right outside. Let's go right outside. Quick. Okay. No, stay out here. Up, there it is. There's the pee. Okay. You just stay outside. You're a good girl. You don't pee everywhere. You're a naughty little puppy, but it's our fault because we're not training you well. Stay tuned. Let me know what you want to watch. Comment below. And tell me what you've been doing, because I haven't heard from you in a while. Miss you.